Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important yet underrated part of any interview, the self-introduction. Whether it's a software engineer role at any company or a startup internship, your intro sets the tone. Your intro is the first impression. It's your chance to steer the conversation and show the interviewer what makes you unique. It's also an opportunity to highlight strengths that match the role. Alright, let's break down the structure of a strong self introduction, something that instantly grabs the interviewer's attention and makes you stand out from the crowd. I always recommend keeping your intro short, crisp, and relevant. Here is a simple structure you can follow every time, especially in tech interviews. Start with your name and current status. Begin with your name and where you are at currently. Are you a student, a recent graduate, working professional? So keep it simple. Briefly describe your background, education, experience, or projects. Next, share a quick overview of a background. This could include your degree, internships, or relevant projects you have worked on. Think of it like giving context to who you are as a techie. Highlight your technical skills. Then talk about your key technical skills. This shows the interviewer what you are comfortable working with. Mention languages, frameworks, or tools you are confident in, like Python, React, SQL, AWS, and other such. Mention a key project or achievement. This is where you showcase something real you have done, a project you are proud of, or a problem you solved. It helps you stand out because it adds proof to your skills. Explain why you are interested in the role or the company. Now, this part is very important. Connect your background with why you are here. Say something about what excites you about this role or company. It shows that you are not just applying randomly, you are intentional. That's it, a clean, structured self intro that covers everything the interviewer needs to know without you rambling on. Stick to this framework and you will be able to tailor your introduction for any company, any role. Now that you have got the structure down, let's talk about some do's and don'ts that can really make or break your self introduction. First, some do's. These are some of the best practices for interviews. Be clear and concise. Your intro should be around 60 to 90 seconds maximum. Tailor your introduction to the role you are applying for. Use keywords from the job descriptions. Mention real achievements or projects. Show it, don't just tell. Practice your intro, but don't sound robotic or rehearsed. You want to sound confident, not like you are reading a script. Now let's talk about the don'ts, mistake that usually people make. Don't just read your resume line by line. They have already seen it. Don't ramble or go off topic. Stay focused on what is relevant. Don't be overly casual or overly formal. Find that professional conversational balance. Now let's get into some pro tips that will help you go beyond just introductions and really prepare like a top candidate. First one is technical readiness. Start with your basics. Brush up on data structures and algorithms like lead code, geeks for geeks, whatever suits you. If you are an experienced developer, start learning system design. It will come up. Revisit your own projects and code. You will be asked to explain them in depth. And most importantly, do mock interviews. Use platforms like Pramp, interviewing.io, or even practice with a friend. Second one is behavioral interviews. Behavioral rounds are where many candidates fumble. So, for that, use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result to structure your answers. Prepare for questions like tell me about a time you failed, describe a team conflict and you have handled it, why should we hire you, And remember, always be honest. Fake stories are easier to catch than you think. The last one is mindset and soft skills. Finally, let's talk about something most people ignore: mindset. It's okay to say, I don't know. Just follow it up with your thought process. Think out loud during problem solving. Interviewers wants to hear how you approach problems. And at the end, don't forget to ask smart questions. It shows that you are curious about the role, the team, or the company culture. So, when you combine a self intro with technical readiness, behavioral preparation, and the right mindset, you are not just answering questions, you are leaving a lasting impression. Remember, it's not just about having the right answers, it's about showing who you are as a problem solver, a teammate, and a learner. Nail your intro, prep smart, and walk in with confidence because you have got this. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for listening.